Good day everyone. I'm Michael. And I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. C# is a strongly typed language. It means we must declare the type of a variable that indicates the kind of values it is going to store, such as integer, float, decimal, text, etc. The following code declares and initialized variables of different data types. If we run this code, the output would look like this. Again, we are using here the console write line, which is a static method that prints or displays on the console. C# mainly categorized data types in two types, value types and reference types. Value types include simple types, such as int, float, bool, and char, enum types, struct types, and nullable value types. Reference types include class types, interface types, delegate types, and array types. As you can see in this table that each data type, except string and object, includes a value range. The compiler will give an error if the value goes out of data type's permitted range. Every data type has a default value. Numeric type is 0 and Boolean has false. To use the default value of the data types, we simply assign the default keyword the open and close parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we input the type name. If it's an integer, then insert int. But in C# 7.1 onward we only use default literal. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one data type to another data type. In C#, there are two types of casting: the implicit casting and the explicit casting. In implicit casting, it automatically converts a smaller type to larger type size. In this example, we declare and initialize an integer data type. Then assign it to another variable, but in this case, a double type. This statement will automatically convert the value of int to a double type. While in explicit casting, we convert a larger type to a smaller type. To do this, we manually did it by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. Unlike an implicit conversion, we simply passed the variable name. In this example, the output for int variable is 10, though we assign the value of my double variable, which is 10.25. But after casting it to integer, the fraction value will not included. It is also possible to convert data types explicitly by using built-in methods, such as convert.to-boolean, convert.to-double, convert.to-string, and convert.to-int32. In this section of the video, I will be leaving questions for you to answer. Let me know your answer in the comments section. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.